I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a browser-based SQLite editor and signing in if required. Upload your existing SQLite or DB file or create a fresh database to avoid accidental overwrite. Once done, open the SQL console so you can run commands directly. Execute Pragma integrity check to verify the file. This shows why queries might fail later. Make sure to note the current schema by running schema. This gives you the map of tables and indices before you change anything. You now run select queries to explore data. Use limit 10 for fast previews because large tables slow the browser. When you need schema updates, run alter table or create table, but back up the DB first. This prevents accidental loss. Use transactions to wrap multiple statements. Begin, make changes, commit. This ensures atomicity and lets you roll back if something goes wrong. Also, analyze performance by creating indexes on frequently filtered columns, because that reduces query time significantly. You finish by testing key queries to confirm results match expectations, and then export the database using the tools export or dump feature so you have a local copy. Once done, validate that indices and foreign keys behave as intended. If something fails, check Pragma foreign key check to locate violations, and examine journal mode or WAL for locking issues. These explain why writes might be blocked. Finally, restore from your backup if needed, and repeat the isolated change process to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.